If your Toyota RAV4 dashboard has multiple warning lights, don't panic. We'll go through some simple steps you can do at home before needing a scanner. I'm going to show you how to fix and reset them safely and easily. First, make sure your car is parked on a flat surface, the engine is off, safety comes first. Now, let's start with the basics. Check your fluid levels, oil, coolant, and brake fluid. Low fluids are one of the most common reasons multiple warning lights appear. Top them up if needed, it's simple and can save you a lot of trouble. Next, take a look at your battery connections and fuses. Loose or corroded terminals can trigger multiple warning lights. If you see any corrosion, clean it up and make sure everything is tight. After that, turn the car to the on position without starting the engine. On key start models, turn the key to on. On push button start models, make sure your foot is off the brake and press the start button once. The dashboard will light up, but the engine won't start. Wait about a minute while the system does a quick self-check. Some lights may turn off on their own. You can also reset the lights manually. On most RAV4, press and hold the odometer reset button while in the on position. Hold it for about 10 seconds, the odometer will reset and those warning lights should disappear. Once that's done, start the engine and take your car for a short drive. Many warning lights will reset automatically once the system detects everything is running normally. If some lights are still on, it could be a deeper sensor or electrical issue. In that case, it's best to have a professional mechanic check it out. Drop your RAV4 year in the comments if you want a quick tip for your exact model. Drive safely, and I'll see you in the next video. If this video helped you fix your dashboard warning lights, give it a like and subscribe for more simple car repair tips.